In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to install AMD graphics drivers on Windows 10 and Windows 11 step by step. If this video helps you, make sure to like it and subscribe for more simple tech guides. Let's begin. There are multiple ways to install AMD drivers, but the easiest method is using AMD's Auto Detect tool. It automatically finds your hardware and installs the correct drivers without any guesswork. First, open your web browser and search for AMD drivers. Click on the official AMD Drivers and Support page from the search results. Once you're on the website, look for the section for Windows 10 and Windows 11 drivers. Here, you'll see an option to download the Auto Detect tool. Click on Download Windows Drivers. The setup file will start downloading. Wait for the download to complete. When download finishes, go to your Downloads folder. Now open your setup file. The AMD installer will open automatically. Make sure you saved all of your work because it resets the driver settings, so you may lose your work. Now the software will scan your system to detect your graphics card and determine the correct driver version for your PC. After scanning it, we'll show you a window like this. Here, make sure to select Install for the chipset. After that, click Accept and Install. Now, just sit back and let the installation complete. You will see a small loading bar here where it shows how much it has scanned. This might take a few minutes depending on your system. Once done, close it. Restart your computer to apply the changes. After restarting, your AMD graphics driver is now fully installed and up to date. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to FixSoft, and I'll see you in the next one.